that time is money and money is money. So that's why in 60 seconds, I'm trying to save you both. Talking about the Shark Rocket. Pretty sweet vacuum, as you can see. Yes, doesn't have a bag, so you can just empty it out easy, and is really lightweight. It's not great on wood floors or any hard surface. Carpet's definitely what it does best. When you do vacuum up the carpet, it gets caught in the bottom, like really, like not good. You gotta get in scissors and actually cut everything out. Ah, I cut my hand. The price is nice, only $199. You can even get rebates even cheaper that we've found. Overall, the Shark Rocket, a heck y'all or heck nah? I'm gonna say heck y'all. Pretty awesome and sweet. Make sure you hit subscribe if you like what you saw, and all the time giving reviews in under a minute, because who's got time for that?